So today I'm going to teach you how to set your alarm clock. First, what you want to do is go find that clock. As you can see, I've already set it 8:45 and 7 o'clock, but let's make one for 9 or 9:27 a.m. After you set the time, go ahead and click on Alarm Repeat, and you see it illuminate for the days that you want the alarm to go off. And as you go down, you can even name your alarm. So I'm going to name mine Wake Up for work. And after you're done, go ahead and hit the Save button on the top right, and you'll see on the right side illuminates green. Turn it off, just go and hit that button. Turn it back on, of course hit that button. And that concludes how to set your alarm clock. Goodbye.